In the silence where we start, under the same stars that mark our night. Listen close to the heart, it carries whispers of the light. Look around at the colors painted across this land. From the mountains to the oceans, we're all hand in hand. Children laughing in the streets, old ones sharing tales. We've got dreams that span the sky, hear them in the gales. Oh, we're stronger when we stand together, side by side. It's love that breaks the barriers, it's hope that turns the tide. Lay down your arms, open your heart. In a world full of noise, let's make a brand new start. One world, one heart, let the healing begin. We're writing our story with the ink of our kin. No more fighting over borders, no more rage in the sun. Together we can shine brighter, watch the darkness come undone. When the rain falls, we all feel the drop, intertwined in our fears. With every sorrow that we share, we're breaking down the years. Take a step to understand, walk a mile in the shoes. You'll find we all have stories, they're the melodies we choose. It's more than just a dream, it's a vision we create. When we reach for each other, there's no need for hate. Let the differences be sparks, igniting brighter days. In the tapestry of life, threads of love can blaze. One world, one heart, let the healing begin. We're writing our story with the ink of our kin. No more fighting over borders, no more rage in the sun. Together we can shine brighter, watch the darkness come undone. Hearts can mend like fragments of glass. It's all in how we choose to forgive and move together. It's a path we cannot lose. Whispers of compassion will echo through the years. In a world where love holds sway, let go of the fear. One world, one heart, let the healing begin. We're writing our story with the ink of our kin. No more fighting over borders, no more rage in the sun. Together we can shine brighter, watch the darkness come undone. So raise your voice, let it ring across the fields and seas. For every child and every soul, hear the chorus of peace. Oh, let's break the chains of division. Let hope carve the way in a dance of harmony. We'll greet the new day. So come together, hand in hand, in strength and unity. Ooh, in this journey of forever, let's rise in our will be the light of tomorrow's day.